Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. Today we are going to solve A-level Maths Pure Year 2 first chapter algebraic method mixed exercise question number 10. Question number 10 is 16x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 equals d over 3x plus 2 plus e over 2x minus 1. You have to solve this by partial fraction. So, first of all, we will take the LCM of this question, then we will solve this further. So, equation will become we have 16x minus 1 that will equal d into 2x minus 1 and plus e into 3x plus 2. Now we will say this equation as equation 1. First of all, take any one factor. We take 2x minus 1 equals 0. This implies that 2x equals 1. And to find the value of x, we will write x equal 1 over 2. Now we will substitute this value in equation 1. So we will get 16 into 1 over 2 will be 8. So 8 minus 1 equal d into 0 because 2x minus 1 equals 0 plus e into 3 into x means 3 by 2 plus 2. Now take the LCM of this. 8 minus 1 is 7. E into LCM is 2. So 3 plus 4 will be 7, which implies that we have 7 equals e into 7 by 2. Now this 2 is multiplied by this 7 and 7 will be divided and we get e equals 7 multiplied 2 divided by 7. 7 and 7 are cancelled out and we have only 2. So we get e answer is 2. We will substitute this value here. Now we will find the value of d. Now we will take the other factor. 3x plus 2 equals 0, which implies that 3x equals minus 2 and this implies that x equal minus 2 over 3. Now we will substitute this value in this equation. Then we get 16 into minus 2 will be minus 32. Minus 32 over 3 minus 1 d into 2x minus 1 means minus 4 over 3 minus 1 plus e is 0. Then take the LCM of this. It will become minus 35 over 3 and when we take the LCM of this, it will become minus 7 over 3. Now d equals 35 by 7. So it will be cancelled out and we get d equals 5. Now substitute the value. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 11. Now question number 11 is 7x square plus 2 of x minus 2 divided by x square into x plus 1. And this is our repeated factors. So a over x plus b over x square plus c over x plus 1. Find a, b and c. So we will solve this in a very easy and simple way. First of all, we will take the LCM and get 7x square plus 2x minus 2 equals a into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 and plus c into x square. Now the first step is take x equals 0. So we will get 0 plus 0 minus 2 equals b into 1, which implies that b value is minus 2. Now we take x plus 1 equals 0, which implies x equal minus 1. So we get 7 into minus 1 square is 7, minus 2 equals x is minus 1, so this factor is 0 and this is also 0, so plus c minus 1 square is 1. So 7 minus 4 will be 3, so we get 7 equals c equals 3. Now to find the value of a, we will compare the coefficients of x square. So we will get 7 equals a plus c. Because x and x is multiplied gives x square. So a plus c. Now substitute the value of c. So a equals 7 minus c. It's mean that c is 3. So 7 minus 3 we will get a value, that is 4. Now substitute all the values in this given equation and find the final answer. So we will get a equals 4, b equals minus 2 and c equals 3. So this is the final answer. Now we will solve question number 12. Now question number 12 is again related to the repeated factors. We have 21x square minus 13 divided by x plus 5 into 3 of x minus 1 whole square. This is equal d over x plus 5 plus e over 3x minus 1 plus f over 3x minus 1 whole square. So you have to find the value of d, e and f. We will solve this as, take the LCM of this. So that gives 21x square minus 13 equals d into 3x minus 1 whole square plus e into x plus 5 3x minus 1 plus f into x plus 5. Then we get, take x plus 5 equals 0, that implies x equal minus 5. So 21 into x square means 21 into minus 5 whole square minus 13. That equals d. So 3 into minus 5 minus 1 whole square plus 0 and plus 0. So 21 into 25 minus 13 equals d into 3 into minus 5 is minus 15 minus 1 square. So 21 into 25 will be 512 and then we will get, or you can write this as 525 minus 13 and then d into minus 16 square. So this is 512 equals 16 square is 256. So 256d. So value of d will be 512 divided by 256 is 2. So d value is 2. We will substitute this value here. Now we will find the value of e and f. Now the next factor equals 0 means 3x minus 1 equals 0, that implies 3x equals 1. Then we can write x equals 1 over 3. So this equation will become 1 over 3 square. That means 7 into 1 over 9, 21 into 1 over 9 minus 13 equals, this factor is 0, this factor is 0, only f factor will be. So 1 over 3 plus 5. So we get 7 over 3 minus 13 equals f into, by taking the LCM, LCM is 3, so 1 plus 15. Now we will take the LCM of this, so LCM will be 3, so 7 minus 39 equals f into 16 by 3. So we will get f equals minus 32 over 3 multiplied by 3 divided by 16. So which implies that this will be equals minus 2. So f is minus 2. Now substitute this value here. Now to find the value of e, we will do the comparison. So comparing the terms in x square. So write this here. Compare x square values. So x square values are 21 in the left hand side, and in the right you have 9x square, so it's mean 9d, and also in the e you will get 3e. So d value is 2, so substitute the value of d in this equation, plus 3e. 21 minus 18 will be 3 equal 3, which implies that e equals 1. So substitute the value of e, this will be 1. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve remaining question of this exercise. If you found previous questions, you can easily find from the description of this video. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.